Welcome to 4721 South Ellis Avenue, your comfy student abode nestled in the heart of exciting Chicago. Depending on your choice from comfy studios, lavish non-ensuites, and charming 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, you unlock premium hardwood floors, a cozy renovated space, and granite countertops for cooking in style. Tackle heaps of clothes at the laundry center, so you can skip urgent laundromat runs and have breezy chore days. There's a centralized resident service center to take care of all your needs. With a bus station, you can plan your expeditions impulsively and still enjoy a hassle-free commute. No need for teary goodbyes with your furry friends. This property allows pets too. When the University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry are a few minutes away by car, you can grab breakfast on the way and still make it to class on time. Hop on a bus from 47th Street and Ellis or 47th Street and Drexel bus stops and explore the city easily. So, secure your spot at 4721 South Ellis Avenue, Chicago today via amberstudent.com.